Very warm welcome to Technical Drawing Tutorial Online with Anna ARM Technologies. Today's topic is division of a straight line into a given number of equal parts. Previous knowledge from the student is for the learners to know how to draw parallel lines. Step 1. Draw the line AB. The length of the line may not be known. Step 2. Draw line AC at any convenient angle to AB. In this case, we are using 30 degree, but it is up to you to use any other angle. Step 3. Step off along AC the required number of divisions. This may be of any convenient length, but they should be equal. In this example, we want to divide line AB into 9 equal parts. So we will first step off 9 equal parts along AC. Step 4. Join the last number 9 on line AC to point B. Now draw lines parallel to this line from the other numbers. AB is now divided into the number of equal parts. To draw parallel lines to line B9, use a set square in conjunction with a ruler. On completing the steps just explained, you would have divided the line into a given number of equal parts. Note, this knowledge is required in the general method for constructing any polygon when given the length of side, and this will be discussed in subsequent videos. We hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Please subscribe to our channels for more videos. Thank you.